friends, I'm Akash and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and make sure to hit the notification bell for new videos. In the previous videos, we've learned and practiced the squares and square roots from 1 to 20. Now, in this video, we will learn and memorize the cubes for the numbers from 1 through 20. To empower ourselves in this advanced world, we will definitely need to memorize and learn by heart these values. I practiced these cubes every day in the morning for 2 months, and I would highly recommend you to watch this video every day in the morning for 2 months, because then you would be a pro at these cubes. And hey, guess what? You can actually ask your friends too once you learn it, and then make sure that they know it too. Let's begin by learning the cubes of the numbers from 1 through 20. All you have to do is just repeat after me right now. So, let's go. 1 cubed is 1. 2 cubed is 8. 3 cubed is 27. 4 cubed is 64. 5 cubed is 125. 6 cubed is 216. 7 cubed is 343. 8 cubed is 512. 9 cubed is 729. 10 cubed is 1000. 11 cubed is 1331. 12 cubed, 1728. Great. 13 cubed is 2197. 14 cubed is 2744. 15 cubed is 3375. 16 cubed is 4096. 17 cubed is 4913. 18 cubed is 5,832. 19 cubed is 6,859. And finally, 20 cubed is 8,000. And those are the cubes of the numbers from 1 through 20. Now, it's your turn to say them. I'm going to say 1 cubed is, and you're going to say 1. Then I say, great. 2 cubed is, and you're going to say 8. And so on until we get to 20 cubed. So, are you ready? Then, let's go. 1 cubed is 1. 2 cubed is 8. Great. 3 cubed is 27. 4 cubed is 64. 5 cubed is, come on, yes, it's 125. 6 cubed is 216. 7 cubed is 343. 8 cubed is, great, it's 512. 9 cubed is 729. Great, let's go. 10 cubed is 1,000. Amazing. 11 cubed is 1,331. 12 cubed is 1,728. Great. 13 cubed is 2,197. 14 cubed is 2,744. 15 cubed is 3,375. 16 cubed is 4,096. Great job. 17 cubed is 4,913. Great, let's go. 18 cubed is 5,832. 19 cubed is 6,859. And finally, let's go. 20 cubed is 8,000. Great job. So now you learned all of the cubes from 1 to 20. If you want to master these cubes, then just watch this video every day in the morning for around 2 months or so, and trust me, you would be a pro. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. If you like my videos, then make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss my new videos every time I upload. Once again, thanks so much for watching. Love you, Akash.